Hi, welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today we are making a vegetable mushroom soup along with my dad. So we had a big box of mushrooms left over. So we took out our large soup pot, poured some oil in, sauteed onions and celery to start, and just chopped up those mushrooms, added it into our pot, let it all saute together. Then we diced up a potato to add a little thickness, cut up 4 carrots, added that to our stock, and that is the basis of your stock for your soup. Go ahead and give it a nice stir. And we diced up some nice herbs, parsley and dill, and added it to our stock. And then we added the pot 3/4 filled with water. And yes, that'll give us about 3 quarts of soup altogether. And of course, now's the time when you want to season it with salt and pepper. So we added about a half a teaspoon of pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt went into our stock.
I know I'll need more later.
Bring it to a rapid boil. Then we are going to take out a immersion blender and blend all those vegetables together. We did add 1 can of coconut milk to give it a little creaminess, and it should come out nice and smooth if you needed to. It is a pot of dairy-free vegetable mushroom soup. Enjoy.